Welcome to this comprehensive session in artificial intelligence. You'll start with the foundations of AI and explore essential mathematical concepts before moving into Python programming, machine learning, and deep learning. Discover specialized areas like computer vision, natural language processing, and reinforcement learning, and understand the role of cloud computing in AI development. We'll also cover large language models, cutting-edge research, and effective AI communication and documentation. This course equips you with practical knowledge and skills to navigate the exciting landscape of AI. Let's begin. In this module, you'll explore the foundational aspects of artificial intelligence, covering its history, key definitions, and various AI types based on capabilities and functionalities. We'll explore the branches of AI, including machine learning, deep learning, and generative AI, and examine practical applications in fields like healthcare, retail, finance, and marketing. By the end, you'll gain a comprehensive understanding of AI's role across industries, empowering you to apply these concepts in real-world scenarios. Let's begin exploring the foundations of AI together. Explore the essential mathematical foundations that power artificial intelligence. In this module, you'll learn core concepts like linear algebra, covering vectors, matrices, and operations, along with eigenvalues and transformations. We'll discover calculus topics including derivatives, gradients, optimization, and integration. You'll also gain insights into probability and statistics with probability distributions, hypothesis testing, and Bayesian inference, plus an introduction to discrete mathematics covering sets, logic, graph theory, and combinatorics. By the end, you'll be equipped to apply these mathematical tools to AI applications. Discover how Python serves as a powerful foundation for AI development. In this module, you'll learn to set up Python using Anaconda, explore essential programming concepts like syntax, control flow, and data structures, and work with modules and packages. You'll also discover into key Python libraries including NumPy for numerical tasks, Pandas for data manipulation, and Matplotlib and Seaborn for visualization. By the end, you'll be ready to leverage Python's versatility in AI applications. In this module, you'll journey through the fundamentals and advanced concepts of machine learning, beginning with its history and core definitions. You'll understand the functions and types of machine learning, including supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning, along with key concepts and algorithms. Explore hands-on projects like stock prediction, image classification, and customer segmentation to solidify your knowledge. Finally, you'll explore the model evaluation, selection techniques, and metrics for regression and classification. Now, let's explore the essentials of deep learning, beginning with core concepts, popular frameworks, and real-world applications. We'll learn about neural networks covering perceptrons, activation functions, and feed-forward networks with hands-on projects like building a neural network to classify handwritten digits. You'll also learn about convolutional neural networks and key architectures like LINET, AlexNet, VGG, and ResNet, plus work on image classification tasks. Finally, we'll explore recurrent neural networks, including LSTM and GRU models for sequential data with applications like text generation and sentiment analysis. By the end, you'll be equipped to understand and apply deep learning techniques in practical scenarios. You'll discover the fundamentals of computer vision, beginning with image processing basics like representation, filtering, and transformations. We'll explore object detection techniques and segmentation, exploring into region proposal methods and applications like medical imaging and autonomous driving. You'll also learn about generative adversarial networks, GANs, their components, training processes, and practical applications with hands-on tasks for generating realistic images and style transformations. By the end, you'll have a solid foundation to understand and apply computer vision techniques effectively. Next, we will see the fascinating world of natural language processing, starting with text pre-processing and representation techniques. We'll examine text classification, covering tasks like sentiment analysis, topic modeling, and spam detection, with a hands-on project for building a sentiment analyzer. You'll also explore the named entity recognition to extract names, places, and organizations from text, and learn about question-answering systems using BERT and T5 models. By the end, you'll be ready to apply NLP techniques in real-world tasks. Now, you'll explore reinforcement learning fundamentals, focusing on agents, environments, rewards, actions, and states. We'll look at practical applications, common challenges, and hands-on projects, including creating a simple game environment and training AI with Q-learning, deep Q networks, and policy gradient methods. You'll learn techniques like the reinforce algorithm and actor-critic methods, applying them to tasks like robot control. By the end, you'll be able to develop and experiment with reinforcement learning solutions in various scenarios. Get ready to explore how cloud computing transforms AI development. You'll start with essential concepts and see how cloud infrastructure supports AI processes. We'll examine the benefits, integration methods, and best practices for cloud-based AI, along with solutions to common challenges. Plus, you'll gain hands-on experience setting up a cloud-based development environment and working with machine learning services like AutoML and pre-trained models. By the end, you'll be well equipped to harness cloud resources for efficient, scalable AI solutions. This module introduces you to the world of large language models, covering their architecture, training, and various applications. You'll gain insight into LLM variants and explore essential aspects like bias, fairness, privacy, and security. We'll also discuss the resources and open source tools available for LLMs with hands-on projects to experiment with text generation, translation, and question answering systems. By the end, you'll understand how to leverage LLMs for diverse text-based tasks in AI. Prepare to explore groundbreaking advancements in AI. In this module, you'll learn about neurosymbolic AI, which blends symbolic reasoning with deep learning, and discover the explainable AI to interpret and build trust in AI models. We'll cover federated learning, a privacy-focused collaborative approach, and learn meta-learning and few-shot learning, addressing the unique challenges they solve. By the end, you'll be equipped with insights into the latest AI research and innovative techniques. Let's embark on this journey through the forefront of AI research. Explore how to communicate AI projects effectively and document them clearly. This module will cover strategies for presenting AI to diverse audiences, addressing both technical and non-technical perspectives. You'll learn to document code and model explanations with clarity, practice creating presentations or blog posts, and uncover the ethical aspects like bias and transparency. By the end, you'll have the skills to create accessible and responsible AI documentation. Let's enhance your communication capabilities for impactful AI projects. Thank you for joining us on this learning journey. Keep exploring and keep practicing. We're excited to see you succeed in your learning journey.